can't find option to receive calls on Telegram or WhatsApp even though you can hear it ringing. So especially on Android phones, if you're hearing ringing but you cannot answer WhatsApp or Telegram calls, it's usually a notification or permission issue, or maybe the background restriction. The first thing you can try to do is you can check if your phone is in something like do not disturb mode, and if it is enabled, make sure to disable it. I'm only enabling it for this video, by the way. For the specific app that you want to find the issue, long press on that app on Android, tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page of that app. Go to notifications and make sure you've allowed the notifications. After that, come to permissions, turn on camera permissions, allow the camera permission for that specific app, also allow the microphone permission for the specific app, and then come back. Scroll down and you can see various options in this case, and you can go to mobile data usage, and you might have restricted the background usage, so you might want to make sure to disable that as well. So disable any sort of restriction that you've imposed on your app, and that should hopefully help you solve the specific app issue. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.